Hey guys, what's up? It's Polymer1 here today, and today I thought I would teach you guys how to code a little bit, and this is also kind of a test video because I'm using EasyVid again. Can I make the font any bigger? Okay, not sure how, but what you want to do is just create a text document and open it with Notepad or Notepad++. The first thing you want to do is type @ECHO. It's gotta be format or font. Font size 18. Okay, so that's what you want to type first, and then you want to type CLS. This kind of like blocks, so like you can't see exactly what's happening. Oh, @echo off. And then this clears the screen, and we want to clear the screen, and then type color 0A, lowercase a, and then color again 1A. Now what this does, this is going to change when you start your game the font color. And this is a batch file game, by the way. And then this is going to change the background color. You can mess around with this. I'm not exactly sure how to mess around with it, so I always just use this. And then type in CLS again. And say you wanted to ask a, let's have a menu first. So now, you type go to menu. There we go. Whoops. Menu, and then hit enter. And now we need to make the menu. To do that, you want to come down, just enter like twice, and do colon, and then type in menu, and then hit enter again. Now, first, you want to type, if you want to like keep doing this, you type echo hello and welcome. Also, if you're not sure exactly on what I typed in, I'll probably copy and paste this into the description of the video. So then you hit enter, and then you type echo period. That'll give it a space, and then that period won't actually show. And then echo 1 dot parenthesis. That's what I like to do. And then you can do start, START, start. And then you can do echo again 2 period parenthesis. And then I'm just gonna type exit. Okay, now you want to type in, now you need to do set/p, and in this case I think I'll use exclamation point. Let me just make sure I'm doing this right. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so I'm back, and I just went back over and I edited the code a little bit. All I did really was add dot loop, and then did /set_p number, and I'll explain to you guys this in a minute. If you want, pause the video here and write down this code, or if you want, just copy it out of the description. You can copy all of this. So okay, so pause the video. So now I'm gonna explain this. So this is simple. So the /p, the set/p number, basically what it means, say in the game, this code part right here allows you to type, and this is what it's basically going to save as. So now when you type in the variable %number %, it's going to recognize, okay, what did they type in here? And say they typed in 1, it's gonna go to the game, and if they typed in 2, it's gonna go to exit. And if it's not a defined number, go to loop, and that loop will take it right here. And then it'll go through menu, CLS, and it'll go through all this stuff again. So now, if now you're gonna actually start coding the game. Now, what I want to do here is I'm going to make a username system, and you guys don't have to put this in, but I'm gonna go ahead and start. So we're gonna do just game. So it's gonna go to game, and that game is right here. So now type CLS. Hold on, let me give myself some room. Game CLS. I'm actually gonna move this. Gotta think here. You want to do echo. Hello. What's your name? And then hit enter. And actually, 1, 2, 3. Sorry, I like doing that. And then you want to do the set/p, but you don't want to put number. So I'm just gonna type it in. So set/p, and in this case, I'm just gonna put name, and then equal. So now they can type in their name. So now let's call them by their name. So CLS, clear screen, and then you want to do hello %name %, and that will call them whatever they typed in here. That's pretty cool. I'm actually currently coding a game now that I'm probably going to release to the public soon. It's a Minecraft like knowledge game. There's only like 10 questions, and if you like fail, it takes you back to the menu, and you have to like keep doing it, and you have to get it all right to get to the end. And yeah, so I'll probably make a video about that. I might have a few other people that I know make a video about it. So yeah. Okay, so and also before I forget this, because I guarantee I will, I want you guys to like do this and like code your own game, and then leave me a link to like the download so I can see if you guys got anything from this video, and like if you want more of these videos. Okay, so hello %name %. Would you like to start the game? And then I like to do this just so they know what buttons to hit. So now now you need to do set space /p h. Now we'll do, I don't know, it doesn't really matter what you type in or what you call it. Like I could call this John, but then I would just have to put John here. So we can do hey. So now set / okay, and then put the equals, whoops, just put equals there, and then do, I'm just gonna copy and paste it from up here because it's easier. Copy this, paste it, but now we just need to change this to hey, change this to hey without an R on the end, change this to Y, change this to no, and we want to actually change this to menu, because if you say, nah, I don't really want to start the game, it's just going to take you back to the menu, and then if you want to quit, you can just press 2. Okay, so now, so let me just make sure this is alright. Go to, I'm just going to say, the game, the game. After this episode, and like the next episode, we'll at least do 2, I will show you guys what we accomplished. So, copy this, paste it, but change this to a capital N, so that way in case like, if the person does like a capital, that our game will still take it. Okay, so let me just double check the code right here. Okay guys, so I'm back and I found 2 things that might give us problems. I put a CLS right under the color, just clear screen, just to make sure they can't see this. And then I also put, I took out a space here, just because I think that's going to give us an issue. So now we need to make what I call sell the game. So that way it sends you to, when you hit when you hit Y, it's go to the game. So now we need to write the cell for the game. So just go, the game. So now we can type in echo, I always forget that, echo, this is the one and only level, just because I don't want to do anymore for now. This is the one and only level. This is the one and only level, period. ECHO, period. Echo, do pigs like mud? Question. Y/no. Okay, and then set/p, set/p, and then we're going to do level1. We'll just type in level because I'm not sure if you can type in the numbers and it'll still work. I don't know. So we're just going to do set/p level and equal to, and then enter, and then just go back up here. Oh, just go right here and just copy this, and then enter, paste it, go to, I'm just gonna call it you win, you win, because that's like my only question for now. And then you want to make the cell script you win, and then you have to say something. So let's do CLS ECHO. Wow, that was hard. How did you win? Echo, bye, go to go to menu. Okay, so I think that will be it. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this episode. I hope to do, yeah, we'll at least have one more episode showing you the game that we made, and I'll probably double check my code, and I will see you guys next time. S Polymer out. Peace.